Hello guys, welcome back to another Sydney aviation video. I'm here at Earlwood for part 7, just going to be recording some planes taking off overhead, as well as a couple of kilometers in the distance. So without further ado, sit back and enjoy. That was a A319-321 taking off from Sydney to Melbourne. The time is 6:30 AM. We now have got a A320-232 Jetstar Airlines taking off from Sydney to Hobart, JQ 723, and the time is 6:43 AM. Here we've got a Havillans Canada AQ400 Condensing taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 425, and the time is 6:48 AM. We now have got a SAAB 340BX Regional Express airline taking off from Sydney to Dubbo. Time is 6:55 AM. ZL 625. Here we've got another Havillans Canada AQ400 Condensing taking off from Sydney to Wagga Wagga, QF 2221, and the time is 6:58 AM. Here we've got a Havilland's Canada-AQ 300 Crossing taking off from Sydney to Albury, QF 2205, and the time is 7:01 AM. That was a A320-232 Jetstar airline taking off from Sydney to Adelaide, JQ 760, and the time is 7:15 AM. Here we've got a Beach B200C Super King Air Royal Flying Doctor Service taking off from Sydney to Orange, AM 277, and the time is 7:20 AM. As well as a A330-303 Qantas airline taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, QF 409, and the time is 7:21 AM. Here we've got another SAAB 340BRX Neutral Express Airlines taking off from Sydney to Griffith, ZL 459, and the time is 7:44 AM. We now have got another SAAB 340B Regional Express airline taking off from Sydney to Orange, ZL 164, and the time is 8 o'clock AM. Alright guys, just got home from school, but I'm here. Here we've got a Havilland's Canada-AQ 300 crossing taking off from Sydney to Albury, Q of 2213, and the time is 4:35 PM. Nice and low. We now have got a Havilland's Canada-AQ 400 crossing taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 411, and the time is 5 o'clock PM. This is the first time I've ever seen a Metroliner Square Legion Fairchild taking off overhead from Sydney to Canberra, FWSM4. Sounds pretty much identical to a BAE Jetstream 32 Fly Pelican. Wow, that is the first time I've ever seen that.